Hello everyone. Today we are going to laser weld an aluminium profile. It's a bit weird material. The reason is, as you see, it looks like just a standard aluminium profile, but the surface, apart from the cut areas, has no conductivity. So why this is a problem? It's because we need the product to be in good contact with the table where our this contact signal is attached. So as you know, we use this clamp to create the contact signal to the laser welding machine. So that helps us to turn the laser on when we are in contact with the material which is in contact with the table. So whenever we remove the torch away from the product, even if you press the trigger, you're not going to have any laser light. So this is a safety precaution which is coming standard with our machines. But as you can see, when I'm in contact with this material, even if I press the trigger, there is no laser light coming, because the machine is not able to understand that we are in contact with the material because of the coating outside the profile. But if I put it this way and contact the cut surface, as you see, I can get the laser. Best way to weld this material is to have some conductivity from some areas. What we can do is we can clean some surfaces. So when you have a laser welding machine from SS Laser Solutions, you will be sure that you can make some surface cleaning by use your laser welding machine. Okay, so for doing that, I'm just going back to the machine, changing my parameters to cleaning parameters rather than welding. So let me bring the indication light to the line mode. Okay. So as you can see, the red line is showing me where the laser is going to hit on the surface. Okay. So I'm going to drag the torch parallel to the surface which I'm going to weld. Okay. And I'll make a quick pass here. So I forgot the parameters on spot welding mode. That's why I was having the laser on and off. So I changed it back to continuous mode. So I cleaned the surface from the coating. Okay. So bring the other side of the profile. a clean surface. Now I will align my profiles just basically by hand on this trial. Make sure my red dot, in this case red line, is on the spot where I'm going to weld. Okay, one spot and the second one. So now the profiles are holding. As you see on the other side, I may or may not have the signal, the contact signal, because I didn't clean this area properly. So I was able to make some spots, but that doesn't mean that I can clean this area properly, because there's still the coating outside. So first I will fuse these materials without using any wire. Okay, and I'm going to use the spot welding mode, so that will give me the time, if I need to realign my torch, to be able to weld nicely. So I'll turn on the fume extractor. So I was able to get, turn this off. I was able to get nice contact on this weld area without using any wire, by using the spot welding parameters. And in the meantime I played with the on and off times depending on the surface quality I received. So I just wanted to change them to have a better surface finish. So on the other side I'm going to weld by using aluminium wire, so then we will compare the results. Okay, now I attached my wire on the torch. So as I'm going to feed aluminium, I'm using a special wire feeding hose, which is graphite coated, so it is reducing the friction. As the aluminium material is soft, considering that we are going to feed 1.2 or 1.6 millimeter wires, we need less friction. can see, I was able to get a nice finish when I used aluminum wire. So my initial parameters was a bit high in power. Let's turn this off. It was a bit high in power. That's why I was able to see some small cracks within the weld. So I played with the power, bring it down, and it helped me to eliminate the cracks on the weld. Then I use the same parameter in that internal corner, so I get a nice fish scale kind of finish. But don't forget, whenever there is any type of coating on your material, it doesn't matter if it is aluminum, stainless, or anything else, that coating material is going to get inside your weld. So if you are happy with any additional discoloration, which is not happening just because of the weld, but because of the addition of the extra coating material, then you can just weld it. If you don't want it to happen, then I would advise to use our cleaning parameter program. Make a quick pass on the surface, then you will be easily welding the area without any additional discoloration. So for more details, you can contact with SS Laser Solutions. So for more details, you can contact with SS Laser Solutions, so we can study your materials, your products, your expectations from the welds. Then we can offer you the right setup, not just the machine, but also wire feeding options, wire materials, health and safety precautions you need to be taking, enclosure options, and that's it.